Hi friends, what's up? Welcome to the new episode of Kalakurri. Ishaan this side. So today we'll be doing stamp art. This is what stamp art is. This is, guess, Thor, Iron Man and Captain America. We have one missing, so we will do Hulk today. The basic requirement and the material needed is a stamp pad and a piece of paper. So we start by drawing out a layout and then we'll do a stencil cut and move on with the process. So we start with drawing the outline of the character you need. This is what the outline looks like. The second process is take a cutter and cut the stencil out of it. This is more or less what a stencil will look like. So now we start the stamp part. The stamp I'm using is basically from my dad's office. Don't worry about overfilling your stencil because the more you stamp, the brighter it looks. Try and stamp more on the edges so that once you remove the stencil, your design edges are crisp and bold. You can also try different color stamp pads. There are 4 basic colors available in the market: red, blue, green and black. Give it a shot and let your creativity flow. And don't be afraid to get a little ink on your fingertips. Art is never complete without a little bit of mess. So time for the big reveal. So this is how the stencil art will look like. I hope you liked the stamp art. If few things to keep in mind is, please do not go in for a detailed piece of layout, because the more the details, the lesser the stamp area you get. While cutting a stencil, adult supervision is necessary, as you know, because safety begins at home. Please share this artwork with your loved ones, friends, family, everyone, and please also do see the other videos coming online soon. Thank you. Bye. Signing off.